Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can make change the language on your Xiaomi Smart Band 7. Okay, to do that you only need to perform it on your Band 7 screen. Okay, and first of all you just need to slide up and go all the way down until you can see the word setting. Select on it. After that, go all the way down again and select preference. And now you can see here is the word band language. Select on it. And now you can make change your band language to another language that you want. And here we have some language you can check out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 languages. And for example I make change it to, and now it's following my phone, and we can change it to English, and another way change it to Chinese language and just tick. And now it's make change your band to Chinese. Okay, on the other hand, if you stuck on another language, now follow my instruction and we will get back to English together. So now just slide to the left until we reach the home screen, and you can see all the language is changed to Chinese. And now we want to change it back to English, so you just need to slide up and go all the way down until you can see this logo. Select on it, go all the way down and select the second one after the lowest one, and then you select the second manual here. No need to slide to another. And now you can see the English language. Just make change it and tick. Okay, now it's get back to English. All we need to do just slide to the left, slide to the right, and then it will get back to the home screen menu. Okay, and that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can make change your Smart Band 7 to English or another language. And now let me say goodbye and thank for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.